Kikundi cha kwanza cha gwaride la maskauti Mheshimiwa Rais ni kuanzia miaka 7 hadi 9, ikijulikana kama sungura, wakiweza kuvalia kikijulikana kama sungura. Kikundi kinachofuata Mheshimiwa Rais chini ya uongozi wake mwanadada Faith Cherono Mwamba. Vile vile kinachofunga ni kikundi cha miaka 19 hadi 26 kijulikana kama Jasiri chini ya uongozi wake mwanadada Edna Kirui. Wanaofuata Mheshimiwa Rais ni Girl Guides. Hawa ni chini ya miaka 3 hadi 6 wakijulikana kama Rainbow. Makofi kwa wana Girl Guides pamoja na Scouts tafadhali. Vile vile kikundi kinafuata ni miaka 6 Girl Guides. Ranger Mheshimiwa Rais miaka 14 hadi 18 wanapotufungia kwenye vikundi vya Girl Guides. Na inayofuata Mheshimiwa Rais ni wasichana wa...
It is against this backdrop that the government proposes a paradigm shift in the provision of social health insurance in the new Social Health Insurance Act 2023 that provides for formation of a social health authority which will repeal the current National Hospital Insurance Fund Act 1998. In our plan, I promise a fully publicly financed primary health care system, an emergency care fund, and a health insurance fund that will cover all Kenyans. This promise is delivered through the enactment of the new Social Health Insurance Act, which among others establishes the publicly financed primary health care fund, a fully publicly financed chronic and emergency and critical illness fund, and the social health insurance fund, and access to health care from now henceforth will no longer be based on ability to pay. It will be based on the health needs of every Kenyan. We are implementing a per household payment system where a flat rate applies to everyone regardless of their income. Consider this, for example. Previously, an individual earning 10,000 had to pay Kenya shillings 500 for NHIF, a hefty 5% of their earnings. On the other hand, those with a salary of 100,000 or more contributed 1,700, a mere 1.7% of their income. This bizarre setup meant that low-income earners, mama mbogas, and bodabodas were effectively subsidizing high-income earners like myself. The Social Insurance Fund corrects this anomaly and makes sure that every citizen pays for health a percentage of their income, an equal percentage of their income, so that we can equalize the fortunes of every citizen with respect to access to health. The Social Health Insurance Fund also signifies a shift to increased use of domestic resources for health financing and a sustainable approach, especially at a time when resources from donors and development partners are dwindling. Mashujaa Day is a celebration of the power of individuals to change the course of history and the destiny of a nation. It is a reminder that nations are driven forward and changed by individuals, ordinary men and women who believe they can make a difference and who believe they can change the status quo. The status quo in 1963 was a colonial state, the denial of basic freedoms and dignity. Deep inside many individuals then, they believed change was necessary and they took action. Individuals' belief resulted in action and ultimate progress that made us the people we are today, an independent, democratic, progressive nation. Today, the status quo is a hunger for socio-economic transformation, one that most of us feel is long overdue, and we are rightfully so. The need for heroism is as urgent as it was in pre-independence Kenya. The power of individual action is still as powerful today as it was then. Our heroes today are on the farms, the markets, in factories, in offices, in construction sites, and in many other places. Our heroes are using their creativity to create content and shape culture. They are playing on fields, running on tracks, and working across many other fields. Every day, when we do our best, when we deploy our diligence, intellect, passion, creativity, hard work, and the sense of purpose, every day that we believe we can make a difference, we are changing our country. This is our call to Ushuja, to the best of us, to be the best of us every day, and to move our nation forward.